Welcome back. This is Mr. Cisneros. In the previous video, we set up all our drawing sheets so that we have our multi-view orthographic projections on each sheet from 3 to 6. What we're going to do in this video today is edit all of the title blocks that we have in our sheets. So I'm going to start with sheet 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just zoom in just to talk about what the title block contains. Automatically by default, date, the number of sheets, the file name, they're all automatically populated. What is not automatically populated are the design by, project title, and scale boxes. Those we have to manually fill. So the way that we do that is by going to the sheet that we want to change. So we're in sheet 2. Remember that if it's white here, that means it's the one that's selected. All these other ones are grayed out. For instance, if I tried to make any kind of change right now into sheet 5 and click on any of these, it would not work. It would not work because I'm inside of sheet 2. I could only make changes to sheet 2 right now. So with sheet 2 selected, I'm going to hit this plus sign. I'm going to go to title block A, click this plus sign, and then inside of that is going to be field text. I'm going to double click that. I'm going to click enter. I'm going to click on type name in caps. So I'll type my name in caps. And then I'll click on enter project title. This is going to be called Speaker Box Project. I'm going to scroll down to the very end and there's enter the scale. If you remember from last video, the scale is 1/4, 1/4. And I'm going to click OK. With this selected, I can, change. I can change other things here inside the title block, but that would, that would make it a bit more custom. Like for instance, if you wanted to change the image here, you could do that. It's just not going to be inside of field text. It's actually going to be inside of this title block A. You do not have to do this, but just to show you, you can right click. At least I thought you could. Hold on, let's see. Looks like it's lagging on me. Right click, edit definition, and you can see it lets us in on this custom title block, and that's where you can edit the text up here. You can edit the image here. The automatic fill coding is in here as well, but that's already made for you. I have this custom title block for you, so you don't really have to mess with this option. If you wanted a different, like, Schaumburg High School logo there, you could do that, but I think it's a bit unnecessary, but just wanted to show you that. We're going to go ahead and finish this sketch here. Save edits, sure. We didn't make any edits, so that's okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the rest of the sheets and make the same changes. We're going to put our name, we're going to put our project title, and then the scale. So I'm going to go to sheet 3. Cancel. I'm going to double click sheet 3 and I'm going to go inside of it, plus sign, title block A, plus sign, double click field text, and I'm going to type in my name, speaker box project, and then scroll down for the scale 1/4, and I'm going to click OK. Do the same thing for sheet 4. Oh, do you see my mistake here? I'm not in sheet 4. I forgot to double click here. That will happen. It happens a lot. So just remember, if it's white, that means it's selected. If it's grayed out, it is not selected. So you can see I'm trying to double click field text and it will not let me in. So what I need to do is I need to double click sheet 4, and then go to the field text then. And then here, so I can type my name, I can type project, speaker box project, and then scale. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to minimize this one, double click sheet 5, hit the plus sign here, hit the plus sign here, double click field text, and put my name in one more time, and project title. Enter scale 1/4, click OK. And then we just have to do it one more time over here. And I'm realizing now that when we do double click it automatically, it does ask us, it prompts us with this. So let's check this out. Let's see what this does if we can have the same success here by just using this box. This might be a new feature, or maybe I just was unaware that this happened. Speaker box project, and then 1/4. Let's see if it populates. Click OK. And for sheet 6, it did. There you go. So that's another way to do it. Once you double click and it gives you that box to fill in, you can do it. So let's do it for sheet 6. We're in it. Plus sign. I guess it didn't give us that option that time. Oh, I'm sorry. Looks like we did that already. Okay, so we have all sheets filled out. Yep, and then if you remember our sheet 1, we deleted the title block, so we don't need to do anything with sheet 1. So yep, get all of those title blocks filled in with your name, project title, and scale. We'll see you in the next one.